One day, one predator, a fight to survive. At sunrise, the silent predator begins its journey, using ancient instincts to sense danger and search for its first meal. Every scent carries a message in the wild, guiding this silent hunter closer toward its next opportunity for survival. With its hunger reduced, the python moves deeper into the forest, searching carefully for new challenges ahead. Survival belongs to those who wait, and this patient hunter uses silence as its greatest advantage in the wild. The smallest movement can decide survival, as the python waits silently for the perfect moment to continue its hunt. After hours of patience, instinct takes control, and the python's precision delivers another victory in the struggle for survival. After the hunt, the python enters a quiet recovery phase, saving precious energy for the challenges still waiting ahead. Beyond familiar paths, the python enters unknown territory, where every scent and sound could reveal opportunity or danger. As daylight fades, the python relies on patience and powerful senses to locate the hidden movements of the forest.
As daylight disappears, the python enters another phase of survival, where patience and timing become more important than speed.
Because in the wild, danger can appear from anywhere without warning. Every movement in the forest tells a story, and the python follows the hidden clues leading toward its next meal. Hidden beneath the forest shadows, the python follows every clue, waiting patiently for another chance to survive. When darkness arrives, the python's senses become its greatest advantage, allowing it to hunt through the hidden world of night. Under the cover of darkness, the python relies on patience and powerful senses to survive the dangerous hours of night. In the darkness, the python becomes almost invisible, proving that patience and silence are powerful weapons of survival. Even a powerful hunter must respect the dangers around it, because survival depends on knowing when to avoid conflict. Even after a successful day, the python must remain cautious, because every moment in the wild demands awareness. Before the night ends, the python searches once more, knowing every successful hunt increases its chance of survival. In the darkness, precision decides survival, and the python completes another hunt through patience, instinct, and perfect timing. After a long day of survival, the python finally rests, saving energy for whatever challenges the next sunrise will bring. With the sunrise comes another test, and the python begins a new journey through the forest, searching for survival. Every morning brings new challenges, and the python follows invisible clues written across the forest floor by its prey.